When they leave high school, we recognize that a high school diploma is not enough. We need to give them more. We need to give them more tools, more resources so that they're able to have a chance of getting those great jobs that they've been wanting for a long time. Hello, my name is Dr. Garcia Macklin, and I am the proud superintendent of Career Success. Our organization is comprised of 4 schools. We have a K-8 Sage Campus Elementary School that serves our K-8 neighborhood. And we also have 3 high schools. Robert L. Duffy High School is one of them. And their focus is live broadcasting, graphic design, live recording, film and recording arts. And we have a Tech Campus, Tech High School, that is really the focus there is cosmetology. And then of course we have our newest state-of-the-art building that we just purchased recently at STEM Academy, and we focus there on the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics program. We want to make it as flexible for them to obtain a high school diploma, but not only with that, but also prepare them. That's why we have all these focus areas, because we want to prepare them for the workforce. We want them to go out there ready to contribute to the larger society and get a job. One of the things that we like for our students to experience is not just, what are you going to do when you grow up? What are you going to do when you graduate high school? We want them to say, what am I not going to do? Because sometimes, you in your mind, you're thinking, well, I'm going to graduate high school and I'm going to go into this area. Well, when you get experience in high school, we want them to have that experience so that they make those decisions and make sure that they go right into the workforce. One of the things that we really value in our organization is the partnerships that we have with our community, so that they're able to go out there and at least, they have internships where kids are able to really apply, is this really what I want to do? And then in school, not only earning their high school diploma, but also learning these skills that are going to be, so they can be workforce ready. We believe any student that comes to Career Success ready and willing to work will be successful. Our job as the educator, our job as a mentor per se, is to ensure that we create a pathway that is attainable for our students. We want to give them hope that, hey, their high school diploma, even if they left school and they're 18 and 19 and they want to come back when they're 20, we take anybody at any place that they are up until the age of 22 and say, we're going to work with you. If we have to individualize it, if we have to customize it, we're here to do that. That is our main message, is that the flexibility has got to be there for all of our students.
If you would like information about becoming a certified nursing assistant, a computer repair tech, a cosmetologist, a certified video editor, or sound engineer, please go to our website that is displayed on the screen. Career Success Schools. Let us help you get started.